Want to quickly get started with editing your images in Photoshop, but unsure how to open and import them the right way? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the simple but crucial process of bringing images into Photoshop, whether you're starting a brand new project or adding layers to an existing one. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in getting your photos loaded up and ready for creative magic. Let's dive right in with the first scenario, opening an image as a brand new document. This is perfect when you want to start fresh, maybe edit a single photo or set up a project from scratch. To do this, launch Photoshop and head up to the top left corner. You'll see the File menu. Click there and then click Open. A file browser window will pop up, letting you navigate to wherever your image is stored on your computer. Once you find your image, just select it and hit Open. Photoshop will create a new document just for that image, ready for you to edit. Now, if dragging and dropping feels more natural to you, and honestly it's pretty quick, here's an alternative. Instead of using the menu, just open Photoshop and find your image file on your desktop or in a folder. Then simply drag it right onto Photoshop's home screen or that big blank workspace area. You'll see Photoshop snap into action, opening your image instantly as a new document. It's super handy, especially when you have a bunch of files to go through. Next, let's talk about importing images into an already open document. Maybe you're working on a collage, a multi-layered design, or blending several photos together. This time, you don't want your image to be its own separate document. You want to bring it in as a new layer. To do this, with your project open, go up to File again, but this time choose Place Embedded. This tells Photoshop you want to insert another image into your current canvas. When the browser window opens, select your image and hit Place. Photoshop will bring in your picture as a flexible, transformable layer right on top of what you were working on. If you prefer drag and drop, you can skip the menu entirely. Grab the image file from your computer and drag it straight onto your open documents canvas. This will automatically add the image as a new layer, so now you can move it around, resize, or blend it with what's already there. This is especially useful for design projects where you're working with multiple graphics or photos and want instant placement. Now, after you've placed an image as a layer, whether you used Place Embedded or Drag and Drop, Photoshop goes into transform mode. You'll see a bounding box around your image with handles to resize or rotate it. Take a moment here, adjust the image's size or position if you want, and when you're happy, you'll need to confirm that placement. To do this, just press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the little checkmark icon up in the options bar. This lets Photoshop know you're done, and you'll exit transform mode, locking your image into your layer stack. Don't worry if you accidentally click away or forget. You can always reselect and transform your layer again later. And there you go. You've just learned the essential ways to open images in Photoshop and import them into your documents as layers. Whether you're starting a new photo edit or building a complex project, these techniques are your launchpad for creative work. If this tutorial helped you get comfortable with importing images in Photoshop, let me know by hitting that like button below. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, or maybe you ran into a tricky spot, drop a comment. I'm always happy to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.